Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on Scrum Artifacts. What if I told you these simple tools are the secret sauce behind some of the world's most successful projects? Whether you're managing a team, part of one, or just exploring Agile, this video will show you how Scrum Artifacts quietly keep everything on track. So grab a coffee and let's break it down. Alright, so what exactly are Scrum Artifacts? In Scrum, artifacts are not mystical objects from a museum. They are real, practical tools that make project progress visible, measurable, and actionable. These artifacts represent the work being done, the work that needs to be done, and the work that has been completed. Their job? To create transparency and provide a shared understanding of what's happening in the project at any point in time. And here's the cool part. They're not just for the team. Stakeholders can look at them and instantly know where things stand. No endless meetings, no guesswork, just clarity. You might wonder, do we really need them? Absolutely. In a typical project, different people have different ideas, different priorities, and often different interpretations of what done means. Scrum Artifacts fix that. They align the team, focus their efforts, and reduce misunderstandings. They create a single source of truth, one place everyone can go to understand what's being built, what the team is working on right now, and what's ready to deliver. Without them, it's like building a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. With them, you've got the picture, the pieces, and the process to complete it. Now let's meet our three key players. The product backlog. This is the grand master list of everything the product might need. The sprint backlog, a focused list of what will be built this sprint. The increment, the usable output, or what's done. Alongside the increment comes something called the definition of done, basically a checklist to guarantee quality. These aren't just to-do lists, they're live documents, evolving with every sprint, sprinting alongside the team. Let's start with the product backlog. Think of it as a giant idea vault, where every potential feature, enhancement, fix, and improvement lives. This isn't just a dumping ground, it's strategic. Items in the product backlog are constantly reviewed, refined, and reprioritized by the product owner. The most valuable items float to the top, ready for the team to pick during sprint planning. And the best part? The backlog is flexible. As user feedback comes in, the backlog changes. It evolves with the market, the product vision, and the team's discoveries. In short, it captures what could be in the product. Next is the sprint backlog. This is where the team turns ambition into action. At the beginning of every sprint, the team selects high-priority items from the product backlog and breaks them down into smaller, actionable tasks. This becomes their to-do list for the sprint. It's not just a plan, it's a commitment. It gives the team focus. Here's what we're building, here's how we'll build it, and here's who's doing what. The sprint backlog is flexible too. Small changes can happen as long as they help meet the sprint goal. But overall, it's about discipline and delivering what was promised. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the increment. This is the real, tangible result of all the team's work during a sprint. It's the collection of all completed tasks, fully tested and integrated, and potentially ready to be released. It might be a new feature, a bug fix, or a complete UI redesign. Whatever it is, it must meet the definition of done. What makes the increment powerful is that it gives stakeholders something they can actually see, use, and give feedback on. Scrum isn't about theoretical progress, it's about shippable value every time. But wait, how do we know if something is really finished? That's where the definition of done comes in. It's a clear checklist that defines what done actually means for your team. It might include code is written, peer-reviewed, unit tested, documented, and deployed to staging. Every team's definition can be different, but it must be consistent and unambiguous. If a task doesn't meet every item on this list, it's not done. This ensures quality, prevents surprises, and builds trust in every increment delivered. Let's put it all together. The product backlog gives us what we could build. The sprint backlog narrows it down to what we will build in the next 1 to 4 weeks. The team builds it, tests it, and delivers an increment. The definition of done makes sure that increment is complete, clean, and ready. This cycle repeats sprint after sprint, delivering usable value every time. It's fast, it's flexible, and it works. And there you have it. Scrum Artifacts, demystified. Whether you're a newbie or a team lead, understanding these three tools will level up how you work in any agile environment. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to CTO-X for more clear and powerful tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.